guys. It's Forex just it's Forex trading secrets, guys. Hopefully you will just enjoy this. I'm actually looking at gold, XAU USD, and I want to quickly just let you see why I take this trade to um, help you to be able to see mini trades, how to analysis completely to take your mini trades, right? Okay. Firstly, I should point out the fact that trades, I mean, you must actually make sure you know where the trade is going. That's very very important, and try to know your algorithm because in most cases, in the evenings, I mean, at night, the trades reverse. We're talking about in Nigeria GMT plus one. We're talking about from let's say 1 a.m. 1 a.m. Okay, so trades reverse from 1 a.m. to 8 a.m. The trades gonna begin to reverse. And so for that point in time, you can actually look out for some things. Okay, let me show you some things. How we know that this had reversed. If you look here very clearly, I want you to look carefully right down here. Okay, so if you are seeing my console, okay, so you would see right here that this candle moved down, right? This bearish candle, right? So it moved down and it took out the buy stops that were here, and then it rallied up quickly, and then this one came into it right now. Now that is not what I really want to show you. What I want to show you is the trade I had to on the right hand side. But I want you to notice that this rallied down and this came into it, and then it went up quickly, and did all that, and then here it has come back to this same point. Okay. Now this that took liquidity in the first instance, definitely when trade comes into it, it is going to move upwards. So, but that is not for you to finalize. It's not enough for you to finalize now. It is even better to finalize this way. I like you to take a very good look at this. Okay. Here we would see how that this trade moved up to this place from here. It moved up to this place, okay, and then it came down. All right, tapping into this side on your left hand side, tapping into it. Now that's not enough to take your trade. Okay, so it went back up. All right, it broke. It broke this lower high here. It broke it, came down. Well, I was still watching because I was waiting for it to break something very important, which is very significant. This level, because these levels were not supposed to be broken when you know about your structures. Okay, because we have higher. Um, this is a high. Okay, let's start from here. This is a high. This is a lower high. Now this lower high, these highs are not supposed to be broken. So this is another high. Okay, it's not supposed to be broken. But right here, this high has been broken. So When this trade came back, when this high got broken, I knew that there was a shift. Okay. Now, regarding the time at which this high got broken, it was time already for it to reverse. So when this high got broken, and then it came back into this candle. Okay, it came back because now it's making higher highs, right? Now this is a low, right? This is a low, and this is a what? A high. Okay. Now this is a higher low, and this is okay. This is a higher low, and this is a higher high, right? So now we made a higher high right there. Now looking at that higher high, and then when it returned back, this was at a discounted level. It came into a discounted level. This was this low that shouldn't be broken, and now it has come back to a very discounted level. Okay, so if I was putting my stop loss, you can even see my stop loss. I put it right there because it was after this went back. That was when I took my trade, and so see this candle came very close to my stop loss. It was very close to my stop loss. It should have taken me out, but this low is not meant to be violated. Okay, so it's valid. I didn't have to be feverish. You see, I actually went down to 1 minute to place my stop loss. I went down to 1 minute. So that's like to be trading.